Really awesome Bluetooth earphones. So as you can see, this is everything that comes inside the box, and this is the wire to charge the box itself. You have some spare earbuds here and also different size earbuds depending on whether you have large or small ears, an instructions manual, and these are the earphones themselves. As you can see, they come in this really beautiful carry case, compact for putting inside your handbag or your rucksack, on the go, traveling, especially if you take flights or you do a lot of business. Perfect for everything. Also perfect for sports because of the hook design. So once you pull them out, not only do they instantly appear on your phone without having to turn them on and press some buttons waiting for the Bluetooth connection, as soon as you pull them out of the case, they will appear on the Bluetooth menu. You can pair them up so easily with your phone now. And using this hook design on your ear, it's not going to slip out if you're doing any exercise, whether it be yoga, running, jogging, etc. They're also rain, sweat and water resistant, so it's great for any activities where that might happen. And also they have the buttons here, you can hear them clicking, and that is to answer calls and change songs. You get 6 to 8 hours of continuous music playback, which is incredible. They also have a Bluetooth range of 33 feet without any distortion, and the sound quality is incredible. So I really hope that you can enjoy using this product.